Did you know that over 70 Columbus City schools practice some form of indoor or outdoor growing at their schools? We're talking ag in the classroom at Georgian Heights on Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.
You gotta have your vegetables.
You gotta have your vegetables. Victoria, you are doing the most amazing job of engaging your kiddos with ag in the classroom. What would you say are some of the kids' favorite things to grow?
I think the kids really enjoy growing the spinach and the kale and the lettuce.
If a kid grows it, they're more likely to try it, then they're more likely to request it at home.
I'm a really picky eater, and it gives me a chance to try new things.
So how else do you grow besides raised beds?
So we have an arrow garden that we use. In our hydroponic tower, we have some herbs, have some leafy greens. At this point, all of the kids are working on moving some of those plants outside in the next month or two.
So you can start building on their agricultural skills.
My favorite part is probably the harvesting and the trying it. You get to plant stuff and learn and spend time with your friends.
Victoria, you are doing amazing work with your kiddos here at Georgian Heights. I am really impressed. If you want to learn more about how you can get ag in the classroom at your school, head to go.osu.edu/Extension Today.
Extension Today is sponsored by the Ohio State University College of Food, Agricultural, and Environmental Sciences.